Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome back to my channel once again. Here we have the next question on the board, 43 and 44, but we have to relate them to this diagram, okay? Now, we are given this diagram, not drawn to scale. In the diagram, side SR is parallel to UW. Where is that? UW, SR. They are parallel lines, okay? Angle WVT is X. WVT is X. Angle VUT is Y. VUT, Y. Angle RST is 45, correct? And angle VTU, 20. VTU, 20. Use this information to answer question 43 and 44. Now, we are back to the question. Find the angle marked X. We are looking for the angle over here. Now, this is basically on plane what? Geometry. So in plane geometry, just like we have circle theorem, we also have a plane geometry. We are going to apply some basic theorems here, okay? How can we find the value of X here? As you can see, we are told that this line U, W, and SR, they are parallel lines, okay? And X falls outside. Let me consider it as outside angle, and this inside angle. Whenever you have a parallel lines on a plane geometry, one of the theorem is that corresponding angles are equal. It's as simple as that. Corresponding angles are what? Equal, as far as they are parallel lines. So one angle is outside, the other one is inside. That's the meaning of corresponding. If I put this X here, they are not corresponding again, okay? So this X is outside, while this one is inside. They are said to be corresponding what? Angle. So that means that the value of X in this case would be equals to what? 45 degrees, because corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal, please. Corresponding angles are what? Equal. That's the meaning. So the angle X is 45 degrees. So we are done with that. C is the correct answer to question 43. Now let's move over to the next one. Find the angle marked Y. So where is Y? Which is this? Now if you look at what we have here now, Y falls inside it, inside the triangle, because if I take this triangle here, look at it, I'll have what? VUT as my triangle over there. But my problem here is that I have this side, I have this angle here, I don't know this side. I've already gotten this side with 45. So I can find the angle over here by using what? Sum of angle on a straight line. So if this is 45, and sum of angle on a straight line is what? 180 degrees. So for me to find the angle over here, it has to be what? 180 minus what? 45. You understand that? It has to be 180 minus this angle here, and that will give us what? 180 minus 45 will give us what? 135 degrees. So I've gotten that angle over there. So I can find my Y now, okay? By using what? Sum of angle in a triangle add up to what? 180. So I'm going to have my Y to look like this. Let me just manage this space for that. So my Y will be plus 135 plus 20 equals to what? 180 degrees. You understand? So which means I'm going to have what here? Y plus, this is going to give us 155 equals to 180. If you collect like times, you are going to have Y equals to 180 minus 155, and that will give us what? 25 degrees. So the final answer for the value of Y is what? 25 degrees, okay? So what we just need to do here is just to calculate this angle over here. After getting the angle over here, you just take a theorem of what? Sum of angle in the what? In a triangle, they add up to what? 180. So subtract that 180 from 155, because when you add these two together, we give 155. Subtract that, you have 25. So the final answer is B. Alright, so this is what I have for you today. Please don't forget to like my video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my YouTube page, my Facebook page. I'll see you guys in next class. Bye for now.